Hi there! We all understand that material charity is the one that helps those who lack the basics for a dignified survival. This charity, as the Spirit tells us in the message in the Gospel according to Spiritism, although very important, it is the easiest to do. Moral charity is more difficult, but it is within everyone's reach, including those who lack everything. Helping someone morally includes setting an example of good living by striving to follow the examples of Jesus. For those on the path of crime, for the sick, etc. A heartfelt prayer will always bring relief. Through words, giving good advice, saying constructive things, calming fights and misunderstandings. And through actions, as we mentioned at the beginning. To be charitable, we just need to remember what Jesus told us. Love your neighbor as yourself. On the other hand, moral charity also consists of warning someone who is in error so that they can correct themselves. However, this warning must be careful. Lending a friendly shoulder to someone who is suffering, opening our ears to hear about the pain of someone who needs to vent. There are 1,000 ways to practice charity through thoughts, words, and action. Through thoughts, praying to those who are going through some kind of difficulty, whether moral or material. A wise person knows how to remain silent, letting the other speak. It would be false to pretend to agree with the person, but that does not imply starting a discussion. This is a kind of charity. Knowing how to be deaf when a word of malice is spoken by someone, not seeing the disdainful smile that those who do not accept us may direct at us, accepting others as they are, with opinions different from ours, is one of the most difficult things. But the right thing to do is to exercise tolerance, remembering that for the other, we are the ones who are different. Think about that.